Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into something we all know and love, pizza. But have you ever stopped to think about where this cheesy, saucy delight actually comes from? The story is way more surprising than you might think. It has a journey that takes us from the humble streets of 18th century Italy to every corner of the globe. So grab a slice, get comfy, and let's uncover the incredible history of pizza. Believe it or not, the food we recognize as pizza began as a meal for the poor in Naples. We're talking flour, water, yeast, and oil. In the 1700s, Naples was a crowded city with a lot of working-class folks who needed something cheap, quick, and filling. This early pizza was a simple flatbread, baked on hot stones and topped with whatever was available and affordable, maybe some garlic, oil, or local herbs. It was the ultimate street food, fueling everyone from sailors to day laborers. It wasn't fancy, but it was functional and, most importantly, delicious. So what turned this simple flatbread into the pizza we dream about today? To key ingredients that feel essential now were actually later additions. First, the tomato. It arrived from the Americas in the 16th century, but took a while to become popular in Italian cuisine. By the 18th and 19th centuries, it was a staple in the South. Then there's mozzarella, specifically buffalo mozzarella from the Campania region. The combination of sweet San Marzano tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and that simple dough, all cooked quickly in a scorching wood-fired oven, was pure magic. This was the birth of the Neapolitan pizza, a perfect balance of local, high-quality ingredients. Now for the moment pizza went from street food to royalty. The year is 1889. King Umberto I and Queen Margherita of Savoy are visiting Naples. A local pizzaolo named Raffaele Esposito is tasked with preparing them a few pizzas. The one the Queen absolutely loved was a simple, patriotic creation showcasing the colors of the new Italian flag, red from the tomato, white from the mozzarella, and green from the basil. In a brilliant move, Esposito named it Pizza Margherita in her honor. Whether every detail of this story is 100% accurate is debated by historians, but its impact is undeniable. It was a symbolic moment where a poor man's dish crossed social classes and earned cultural prestige. Pizza was no longer just for the people, it was for the nation. How did this Neapolitan treasure conquer the entire world? It traveled. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, millions of Italians migrated, seeking new opportunities in places like the United States, Argentina, and Brazil. They brought their culture, their traditions, and, of course, their recipes. Pizzerias started popping up in Italian communities, serving as a taste of home for immigrants and a delicious discovery for everyone else. In 1905, a man named Gennaro Lombardi opened what is credited as the first licensed pizzeria in New York City, right in Little Italy. This was the beginning of pizza's American journey, setting the stage for it to become an urban staple. From these small, family-run pizzerias, pizza evolved. In the second half of the 20th century, something huge happened: globalization and franchising. Chains like Pizza Hut and Domino's took a standardized model of pizza through clever marketing and the sheer convenience of home delivery, made it accessible to billions. Suddenly, you could get a pizza in almost any city on Earth. But this global spread didn't just mean more of the same. Pizza became a culinary canvas. In Brazil, they added creamy catupiry cheese. In Japan, you might find corn and mayonnaise on your pie. In India, tandoori chicken became a popular topping. Pizza proved it could adapt and belong anywhere. Despite its global takeover, pizza has never lost its Italian soul. For many, it's still a powerful symbol of Italian identity, with Naples at its heart. In fact, the art of the Neapolitan pizzaolo, the traditional craft of making Neapolitan pizza, is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage of humanity. That's right, the skill of those pizza makers is officially a world treasure. At the same time, pizza has become a pop culture icon. It shows up in movies and TV shows as the ultimate social food, perfect for parties, late-night study sessions, or family dinners. It represents community, convenience, and comfort all in one delicious package. One of the most fascinating things about pizza today is its incredible diversity. It's not just one dish, it's a whole family of them. Let's look at some of the most famous styles. You have the classic Neapolitan, with its soft, pillowy crust and simple, high-quality toppings. Then there's Roman pizza, which is much thinner and crispier, often sold by the slice. Across the Atlantic, you get the iconic New York slice large, foldable and perfect for eating on the go. And then you have the absolute beast, that is the Chicago deep dish. It's more like a savory pie with a thick crust holding massive layers of cheese and sauce. You definitely need a knife and fork for that one, and the innovation doesn't stop there. In recent years, high-end chefs have started bringing pizza into the world of haute cuisine. They experiment with long fermentation doughs, ancient grains, and gourmet toppings, turning a simple dish into a sophisticated culinary experience. You can now find pizzerias in prestigious dining guides and even with Michelin stars. Imagine that from the streets of Naples to a Michelin-starred menu. This just proves the incredible versatility of pizza. It can be a $1 slice or a $100 masterpiece. So, what's next for our favorite food? The future of pizza looks bright, innovative, and sustainable. There's a growing movement towards using local, organic, and ethically sourced ingredients. Think farm-to-table tomatoes and artisanal cheeses. We're also seeing amazing innovations to cater to modern diets. Gluten-free crusts that are actually crispy and delicious. Vegan cheeses that melt just right. They're here and they're getting better every day. Technology is also playing a part, with smart ovens and delivery-only ghost kitchens making production more efficient than ever. Pizza continues to evolve, proving that this humble dish from Naples truly has no limits. From a simple flatbread meant to feed the working poor to a global cultural phenomenon, the story of pizza is one of creativity, migration, and connection. It's a dish that brings people together, adapts to every culture it touches, and constantly reinvents itself. It's simple, it's complex, it's comfort, it's celebration, and that is the surprising and truly wonderful history of pizza. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious journey today. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more stories behind the world's favorite foods, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We'd also love for you to check out our website Cookinglandia. Come for more amazing content. See you in the next one.